Hi YouTube, thanks for checking out our channel. Our mission here is to challenge you to try new food, make it from scratch, save money and enjoy better food. Please comment below on our channel, let me know what you think of the food, and if you have a recipe you'd like us to try, please leave it in the comments below and we'll give it a shot. Thanks.
Hello YouTube, tonight we are making enchiladas. I've just finished making some enchilada sauce here. I'm going to add to my enchilada sauce, or also known as ranchera sauce, about a cup of cheese. I've got a mixture of cheddar and jack. We've done just all cheddar in the past and it's delicious. This will be good too. I'm going to leave a little bit to go on the top. I might need a little more than that, but stir in the cheese, make sure it gets all melty. It'll melt very quickly in the freshly made ranchera sauce. It's nice and hot. Tonight we're having chicken enchiladas. So I have some chicken here that is pulled off of rotisserie chicken or a home cooked roasted chicken that I cut up and I froze and saved for another night. And so now we're using it. A lot of chicken, probably like 2 cups of chicken here, give or take. And we're gonna mix it all up. And this will form the innards of our enchiladas. All right, step 2, to actually build the enchiladas. I pulled out a little bit of ranchera sauce. I should have taken some ranchera sauce out of the pot before I added the cheese and the chicken. I forgot to, so I had to salvage a little bit. You don't need a lot on the bottom, but it just gives a nice little extra bit of flavor. That's not quite enough. So I'll pull a little bit more out of here. All right, so now I'm going to fill up the tortillas. I've got 8 tortillas here, which will fit perfectly into my Pyrex. Each one will take probably 1 good sized scoop. I'm kind of anal about having them all have about the same amount of fillings in them. So I do it this way as opposed to filling them and putting them into the pan right away. And I'm gonna leave the rest of this to go on top. So now I'm gonna roll them up. Right, I'm going to take the rest of my sauce that's here and spread it over the top. All right, it's been about 13 minutes. And this is what we have. We added a little more cheese before we threw them in the oven. They're nice and cheesy. Voila, dinner is served.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out our channel for some other new recipes. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see when we post new videos. Feel free to comment down below some new recipes you want us to try, and we'll see you next time.